Hello guys and welcome back to a new video. Today I'm going to show you how to download the Yandere Simulator to your device, and it's actually very, very simple. What I would recommend you to do is to go in the description and just click on the link I've entered in the description, so you can just follow the steps that I'm doing right now. So I will just open the Yandere Simulator. As you can see here, as I said, I will link it in the description, so just click there and follow these steps and the requirements, and then you will be on this website. So what you're going to do now is you click on download. As you can see here in this bar, we can find download on the right side, and now we can scroll down until we see download launcher, and that's where we want to click on. So now just click on download launcher, and as you can see here, the launcher will be downloaded directly. Now you can just click here on this download icon, and then you click on Yandere Sim Launcher to the zip data, and then you will be here. And now you simply have to double click this exe and click on extract all, follow the requirements, follow everything that comes after, and then you have downloaded the Yandere Simulator, the official Yandere Simulator, to your device. So it's actually a very simple process. As I said, please click on the link in the description so you can follow the exact steps that I'm doing right here. And if this video is helpful, make sure to subscribe to the channel, leave a like on this video, and thanks for watching. Bye bye.